Hello and welcome back to Traitors Gate. Firstly, I'd like to say a big thank you to all the people who liked, subscribed to my channel, my first video. I did a couple of things wrong. I filmed it in the wrong aspect. The sound quality wasn't very good. Hopefully this one's going to be a little bit better. So I've been doing several things on the layout this week, so I'll run through with you and show you what I've been up to. So thanks a lot and keep watching. I'll turn the camera around and let's carry on. Cheers, bye. Hello. In my first video, I said to you that I'd got a fallow road system, and a couple of people commented that they'd like to see it working. I have had trouble over the end of the layout due to the fact that the heat has bubbled up the road surface, but this area around the station is absolutely fine, apart from a couple of curbstones. I think that one and that one over there, which actually need trimming back, as the lorry and the bus tend to clip them. But once I've done that, it should be all fine. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you, bye. I picked this up a couple of weeks ago. I thought it would look quite good on my station. I know it says Ford Hampton station clock, but for £3.95 I thought that wasn't a bad buy. It actually lights up, so I'm going to pop that on the station platform and see what it looks like. So I've got the Ford Hampton clock all lit up in the middle of the platform, and I think it looks absolutely brilliant. Not sure whether you can see the hands because it's quite bright, but you can in natural light. Yeah, I'm very pleased with that little thing, but beware, the wires from it are extremely thin. Literally, I think a strand of hair is actually thicker than the wires coming out of that, and you have to solder a resistor on it from 3, because it's got a 3-volt LED in it, to run it off a 12-volt DC power supply. So you know, beware, it's extremely fiddly, but yeah, very pleased with that. So in the dark, I think that looked great. Over the back, next to the station wall, I've got an empty bicycle rack. So before lockdown, I went to my local model shop and I got a packet of these. If you can see, there's a girl on the bike, on a pink bike there, a chap having I think he's a bottle of Coke. I'm not quite sure what that is. 1, 2, 3 other bikes, a couple of other guys, one there having a beer, and a vending machine. So I thought that would actually fill up the bicycle rack next to the station, and it would look quite good. So what I'll do, I'll get them on the layout and I'll show you the final result. Speak to you soon. Right, I've managed to get the people in and the bikes in, but unfortunately I can't really get a great shot. There is a man over the far side just chaining up his bike. There's a young lad sitting there on the side with a bottle of Coke or whatever, talking to a girl on the pink bike. So that doesn't look too bad. I'm quite pleased with that. On the platform, the vending machine is there on the end of the platform with a boy who's just bought a Coke. Unfortunately, next to this chap down here, who's had a bit of an accident. He's got St John's ambulance and a nurse just about to attend to him, so before the train comes in. So on the whole, it doesn't look bad. I might be able to get a shot of the man just chaining up his bike in there. So not bad at all. Just finishes that bit off. In the first video, I told you that I'd extended one of the lower deck lines into some sidings and round the back of the water tank, and over the other side it comes down and around, and it's eventually going to join up to there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish that bit off, get it running, or just a temporary running line, and see if it works okay. Cheers. Speak to you soon. Well, as you can see, the Class 70 is on the move on the line that I've just extended. It's taken me about 2 hours to do the track on that line, and as you can see, she's going. Coming round to the back of the water tank, and sorry about the water tank, but here she comes. Round we go. And back onto the layout. Now, I've got my little coal wagon with a Gauge Master cleaning pad underneath. Just cleaning the track. Now I've corked it. I've just got to finish off the dropper wires. As you can see, I don't know whether you can see the dropper wires all hanging down around that area. I've just got to connect them up to the main bus. It was very, very difficult trying to negotiate the loft hatch, but it's actually running quite well. What I'll do, I'll put a bit of perspex in front of that section, so just in case I have a derailment, it's the train, the loco's not going to fall down the hole. But I'm really pleased. It's really smooth running around there. A couple more bits to do, but on the whole, very, very pleased. There she goes. Coming around straight through Traitors Gate station and back around. Yeah, extremely pleased. So thank you ever so much indeed for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Right, I hope you enjoyed the videos, and I just want to say again, thank you ever so much for subscribing, liking, commenting. So if you haven't, please subscribe and like this video, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye bye.